Dear student, take a next practical question for when partners are withdrawal quarterly. Same amount. Take in practical question number 20. Calculate the interest on drawing of Mr. Aditya at the rate of 8% per annum for the year ended 31st March 2016 in each of the following alternative cases. First, he withdraw 5,000 in the beginning of each quarter. If he withdraw 5,000 at the end of each quarter, if he withdraw 10,000 during the middle of each quarter. तो इससे पहले जो भी हम लोग समझ रहे थे उसमें सेम अमाउंट एवरी मंथ विड्रॉल हो रहा था पीरियोडिकली, जिसमें हम एवरेज मेथड के अकॉर्डिंग हमने कैलकुलेट किया कि कितने मंथ के लिए इंटरेस्ट चार्ज होगा। उसी तरीके से सेम अमाउंट है और सेम टाइम पीरियड पे, यानी कि क्वार्टरली विड्रॉ कर रहे हैं ईच क्वार्टर में 5,000। तो इसके लिए भी फार्मूला जनरेट करेंगे और एवरेज मंथ के अकॉर्डिंग इंटरेस्ट चार्ज करें। नाउ केस 1, Mr. Aditya withdraw 5,000 in the beginning of each quarter. Now first quarter, April, May and June. Second quarter, July, August and September. Third quarter, October, November, December. Fourth quarter, Jan, Feb and March. Every quarter withdraw rupees 5,000. Now total withdrawal during the year 20,000. तो 20,000 पे इंटरेस्ट चार्ज करेंगे एट द रेट ऑफ मिस्टर आदित्य विड्रॉ इंटरेस्ट चार्ज ऑन ड्रॉइंग एट द रेट ऑफ 8% पर एनम. नाउ 8% फॉर एवरेज मंथ कैलकुलेट करें तो बिगनिंग ऑफ ईच क्वार्टर, दैट्स मीन्स इन 3 मंथ में 1 अप्रैल को विड्रॉल कर रहे हैं. आफ्टर 3 मंथ अगेन विड्रॉल 1 जुलाई एंड आफ्टर 3 मंथ 1 अक्टूबर एंड 1 जनवरी. फार्मूला जनरेट कर रहे हैं तो इंटरेस्ट चार्ज कर रहे हैं एट द एंड ऑफ द ईयर 31 मार्च को. अप्रैल टू 31 मार्च 12 मंथ, जुलाई टू मार्च 9 मंथ, अक्टूबर टू मार्च 6 months and January to March 3 months. On the average basis, now calculate 12 plus 3 divided by 2, 7.5 month के लिए चार्ज करें. Now 7.5 upon 12. Now calculate amount 20,000 at the rate of 8% for 7.5 month, 1,000 rupees interest on drawing. इसी तरह से फॉर्मूला जनरेट कर रहे हैं. अगर मिस्टर आदित्य विड्रॉ रुपीज 6,000 इन ए सेकेंड केस एट द एंड ऑफ ईच क्वार्टर, टोटल विड्रॉल 24,000 in case 2, एंड ऑफ ईच क्वार्टर. तो एंड का क्वार्टर डेट यानी कि 30 जून, 30 सितंबर, 31 दिसंबर एंड 31 मार्च, जिसके भी आप पे हम कह सकते हैं कि जून टू 31 मार्च फर्स्ट मंथ पे चार्ज कर रहे हैं. नाइन मंथ के लिए एंड लास्ट विड्रॉल 31 मार्च. तो इस पे एक भी दिन का इंटरेस्ट चार्ज नहीं होगा, ज़ीरो. एवरेज मंथ के अकॉर्डिंग 4.5 मंथ के लिए इंटरेस्ट चार्ज करें। नाउ टोटल विड्रॉल 24,000 एट द रेट ऑफ 8% फॉर एवरेज मंथ 4.5 divided by 12. Now calculated amount 24,000 at the rate of 8% for 4.5 month, 720 interest on drawing in second case. In a case 3, total withdrawal, if he withdraw 10,000 during the middle of each quarter, then during the year total withdrawal 40,000 4 quarter at the rate of 8% for calculate average month. Now withdrawal in each quarter, mid of the quarter, for example 15 May, 15 August, 15 November and 15 February. Now taken first withdrawal in 15 May to 31st March, 10.5 month plus 15 February to 31st March, last withdrawal 1.5 month divided by 2 on average basis 6 month. Now 6 upon 12 is equal to 40,000 at the rate of 8% for 6 month, calculated amount rupees 1600 interest on drawing in case 3. Dear student, take a next practical question number 22A. Gupta is a partner in a firm. He withdraws regularly 800 at the beginning of every month for the 6th month ending 31st March 2018. Calculate interest on drawing at the rate of 15% per annum. Now, Mr. Gupta withdraw 8,000 for 6 months. Total withdrawal rupees 4,800 at the rate of 15% per annum. Now same amount 800 withdraw every month for 6 months, same amount, and withdraw end of every month. Now formula generate on the basis of average month. Now in a first month interest charge for 5 month and last month 0 divided by 2.5 month. Now 2.5 month on average basis, calculated amount 4,800 at the rate of 15% for 2.5 month, 150 rupees as a interest on drawing. So question number 22B. Question number 22A. Gupta is a partner in a firm. He draws regularly 800 at the beginning of every month for 6 months ending 31st March 2018. Calculate interest on drawing 15% per annum. Now total withdraw rupees 4,800 at the rate of 15%. Formula generated on the basis of average month. Now beginning of every month for 6 months, first withdrawal interest charge for 6 months and last withdrawal interest charge for 1 month divided by 2, 3.5 month on average basis. Now charge 3.5 month. Calculated amount 4,800 at the rate of 15% for 3.5 month. Amount 210 rupees interest on drawing. Question number 22A. Now next question number 23A. ABC started business on 1st July 2015. Calculate interest on drawing of Mr. A at the rate of 9% per annum for 9 months ended 31st March 2016 if he withdraw 10,000 per month in the beginning of every month. All partners ABC withdrawal 10,000 rupees per month for 9 months. Total withdrawal 90,000 at the rate of 9% per annum on average basis for 9 months. Formula generated if withdraw beginning of every month in a first month with interest charge for 9 months and last withdrawal interest charge for 1 month on average basis 5 months. Now interest calculate 90,000 at the rate of 9% for 5 months. Amount rupees 3,375 rupees. Interest on drawing. Taken another question for if withdrawal 10,000 per month for 9 months, total withdrawal 90,000 at the rate of 9% per annum if 10,000 withdraw regularly for 9 months end of every month. Now formula generated end of every month. So first month charge for 8 months and last charge for 0 divided by 2 4 months. Now 4 upon 12. Calculated amount 90,000 at the rate of 9% for 4 months. Amount rupees 2,700. Interest on drawing. Question number 23B. Now practical question number 23C. ABC started business on 1st July 2015. Calculate interest on drawing of Mr. C at the rate of 9% per annum for 9 months ending 31st March 2016 if he withdraw 10,000 per month. The total withdrawal during the year 90,000 at the rate of 9%. 10,000 regularly withdraw in every month for 9 मंथ के लिए. तो अब इस पे एवरेज मंथ के अकॉर्डिंग फार्मूला जनरेट करेंगे जिसमें डेट ऑफ विड्रॉल अगर मंथ में नहीं दिया हुआ है तो ये मानेंगे कि मिड ऑफ द एवरी मंथ. नाउ फर्स्ट मंथ इंटरेस्ट चार्ज 8.5 month and last month interest charge for half month divided by 2 तो 4.5 मंथ के लिए इंटरेस्ट चार्ज करें 9% एट द रेट ऑफ 9% फॉर 4.5 मंथ. नाउ कैलकुलेटेड अमाउंट 90,000 एट द रेट ऑफ 9% फॉर 4.5 month. Amount rupees 3,037 rupees 50 paise. Now round off value 3,038 rupees interest on drawing. Now question complete.